Hi, I'm Ajesh. Today I will be introducing you to OCR, official cash rate. That's a common term you will be seeing around in the newspaper every year. And some of you might be, if you know about that, you will be anxious about what will happen the next year. It's kind of like predicting. So OCR, it's actually by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. It's announced by a committee, and that's called a monetary planning committee. They announce a monitoring planning, they release a monetary planning statement and an OCR, that is official cash rate. So what's the use of OCR? OCR, it actually controls the inflation rate. The inflation rate, it's like your day-to-day daily life, whatever the expenses are. So higher the inflation rate, the higher the price for everything, that whatever you buy. Everything means your general purchase, whatever it is, the higher the rate. So by OCR, what the Reserve Bank they do is they control the inflation rate. They want the inflation rate to be somewhere between 1 to 3%. So higher by OCR rate, it influences the interest rate. So the increase in an OCR rate means there will be an increase in interest rate. Every interest rate, it can be mortgage or your loans, everything, interest rate will increase. So what will the end result? Only those things increase? No. Your savings, if you have a savings account, it will also increase. So that's what OCR increases all the interest rate, influences the interest rate. That's a more apt term will be increases the interest rate under the banks, whatever the banks under the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. So how it will affect your everyday life, or how it will influence the inflation? We will go for that. So how it will affect the inflation is, when the interest rates increase, you will have to pay more for your mortgage, you will have to pay more for your loans, everything you pay for increases. So what you will do? Obviously, whatever you are buying from the shops or whatever your other expenditure, you will reduce it and control it. So what will happen is, when there is less demand, obviously the inflation decreases. Less demand, the less price. So price of everyday goods and everything else reduces following this increase in the interest rate. That's what OCR represent. So mostly the OCR they represent in basis points. It means 1 by 100, means like 50 basis point means 1 by 100 into 50. That means 0.50%. They don't want to tell there is a 0.50% or 0.25% increase in interest rate. They will be telling that's 50 basis point, means 0.50% increase in the interest rate, everything, all the interest rate, including your savings. So that's what OCR is. So, and see you another day with another point.